In this video, I'm going to cover the coffee mug placement inside of Merch by Amazon. So this is the main page when you first log in. It's going to give you your sales royalties. You want to go up here to Manage, and then from here, you want to go to Designs. So under Designs, you're going to pick a design that you want to change for the coffee mug. Okay, so here is my product, and I'm going to scroll on down, and I'm going to see that right down at the very bottom, there are ceramic mugs. And note how this is sitting on the ceramic mug. So the first thing I want to do is activate this. This edit details is not on yet because I need to update my products. So I'm going to go here to select products on the top right hand side. I'm going to activate all of my products here. So I'm just going to click the little check mark button at the top and that'll activate it for all the different countries. And down here at the bottom, you'll see ceramic mug has been activated. So I'll click continue. I'll then scroll right down to the bottom. We'll see ceramic mug is now activated. I'll click edit details. From here, you're going to have the option to select different colors, white only, different colored handles, blue, yellow, red, that kind of thing. And you'll notice the design is sitting right in the middle. Now you can click the preview button right here and you'll see that translates to the design being at the end of the mug, which is not what we want. So you've got two options here if you want to change it. You can move it over here or you can move it over here. Now if you move it over here and you click preview, you're going to see that this mug is now sitting so that if you hold it with your right hand, it'll be facing out. So this is a right-handed mug. This is highly common. This is what most people prefer when they're buying a coffee mug. However, if you really want to stand out in a crowd, you could put it over here. It's not going to look great in the thumbnail, but the preview is if I'm holding it with my left hand, it will now be sticking out into the world. It'll be facing away from me. So if you want to sell left-handed mugs, you certainly could do that. You could type in left-handed as your product description, for example, and that might be a great seller for a certain member of society who's left-handed. For me, I'm going to leave this though as a right-handed mug. I'm going to make sure it's right here. And under design, I want to make sure that this is centered vertically. So I'm going to click that button. If you center horizontally, it'll move it back to the middle, which is not what you want. You have to eyeball it there a little bit, but it'll be right there in the middle. And then I'm going to vertically center it. And from there, I'll make sure my colors are all selected. And then down at the bottom, I will publish. So I'll click this publish button right here, and that will move it to published. I hope you found this quick walkthrough helpful. Merch by Amazon is a great way to make passive income. Here's another video highlighting Merch by Amazon.